What's up, everybody? My name is Mr. Fragrance. I'm back with another fragrance review. If you're new to the channel for the first time, thanks for clicking on my video. I appreciate it a lot. I already know you like fragrance reviews, unboxings, and giveaways. So all you have to do, click that subscribe button and end this video if you like content. Click that bell icon so you get notified when I upload new fragrance reviews, whether it's every day or every other day. So today's video, we're going to be talking about a fragrance that's been around for a while now, and it's called Gucci Guilty Black. If you heard of it or you haven't heard of it, I'm going to give you my thoughts and opinions on it. So stay tuned. So, Gucci Guilty Black. It has notes of coriander, lavender, orange blossom, neroli green, patchouli, and cedar. This fragrance here, I initially liked this fragrance. There's a few cons I don't like about it. I'll get into it in a little bit. But let's talk about the bottle. I'm going to post a little picture in the corner of the bottle. The bottle looks amazing. I like the black and green bottle. It just looks very nice, very classy. You can pick it up at your discounters now. You don't have to pay full retail for it. It's been out for a while now. You can pick it up online, probably roughly between $42 to $65. And they come in two sizes. A small 1.3 ounce bottle, and they have a 3.0 ounce bottle. They're pretty good sizes. You can't go wrong with either one. Let's break down how this smells. So let me open it up for you guys. And I got the sample here at Sephora, but this video is not sponsored by Sephora. Just let you guys know now. Full disclaimer, this is not brought to you by Sephora. I picked this little decan up there. Initial spray, I get the coriander in it. When it gets down to the dry down, I get more of the patchouli. It's a very decent smelling scent. It smells very great. I've asked people, do they like this scent? They do enjoy it. I have not gotten any comments with this fragrance, sadly, and I wore a lot of the juice for about a week, and it's pretty sad. I do enjoy this scent a lot. I didn't think I would even like coriander as a scent smell, and it smells fantastic. I enjoy it. What I don't like about this fragrance is the projection on my skin. I get about an hour maybe, give or take. Maybe because it's coming from the little decan, it might be better projection when you get the full size bottle. So I might have to buy a big bottle and redo this review down the road and see how projection works. Longevity wise, it's okay. It's above average. I get about 5 hours of longevity on my skin. That's okay. Let's get into season when to wear this fragrance. You can wear this season all year round, from January to December. It's a fresh scent. It's nice going. I enjoy it. It's pleasant. I wish the performance would be better on my skin, but there's nothing I can do about that, ladies and gentlemen. You should give this a try. It's been out for a while now. Some people might have heard of it. Some people haven't. Most people have heard of Gucci fragrances for men. And Gucci Guilty Black is a very great fragrance. Like I said, I don't have many cons. My only con is projection-wise doesn't do that well on my skin, and I didn't get any comments wearing this fragrance the week or so I've worn it. I hope you enjoy fragrance reviews like this, and I'm going to do a giveaway pretty soon for some new fragrances coming out, and we'll do some more unboxings. So if you do like these type of videos, please click that subscribe button. Please click the bell icon so you get notified when new fragrances come out or updates and reviews. Please hit that like button. If you do like fragrance reviews, please share it with somebody who likes fragrances. And if you have any questions about Gucci Guilty Black, please leave a comment below. Before I go, I feel like this can work for a teenager between, 16 all the way up to your 40s and 50s. There's nothing wrong with this scent. I don't see it inoffensive to anybody. People are either going to really like it or love it, or it's okay. So I don't see it as how it's going to make anybody feel like they don't like the smell at all. That's just my take on it. I hope you enjoy this fragrance. If you do test it out, or if you have it, please leave a comment below. Let me know you have this fragrance and if it works better on your skin, or if you got comments. My name is Mr. Fragrance. Thanks for watching my channel, and have a nice day. Peace.